Hello viewers, so welcome so that you can solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch the video up to the end. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equals to 84. So we are asked to find the value of x. So let's work it out. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what we have. So 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals to 84. So since the base of 2 are 3, so we need to factorize it, and now saying that 2 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 close the bracket is equals to 84. So reason that now when we open this bracket we shall end up with the number up here. So we shall now proceed, and now saying that so 2 to the power of x into bracket, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, we shall have 3 is equals to 84. So the next thing that we need to do is to remain with 2 to the power of x by dividing both sides by 3. Okay, so now we shall now say that now we shall have 2 to the power of x is equals to, so this and this shall cancel, so 84 divided by 3, we shall have 28. So after we shall have got 28, we need to change 28 to the base of 2, which is impossible. So we shall now use the logarithm. So the logarithm of 2 to the power of x is equals to the logarithm of 28. So the log of 2 to the power of x can also be written as x log 2. So now we shall have x log 2 is equals to the log of 28. So we want to remain with x on this side. We shall divide both sides by the log of 2, this side also by the log of 2, so that the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel. So now our x is equals to the log of 28 all over the log of 2. So there. So we don't stop here, we can still factorize all of this. So now our x is equals to the log of 28 can also be written as 2. Okay, so allow me to write the log. So the log of 2 multiplied by 14, because 2 multiplied by 14 brings 28, all over the log of 2. Okay, so let's now proceed, and now saying now x is equals to, so now let's split all of this. So we shall have the log of 2 all over this one down here, the log of 2, because the log of 2 is denominator down. Then according to the law of exponents, the multiplication shall change to addition, plus the log of 14 all over the log of 2. So in this case here now our x is equals to the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel, so x is equals to 1 plus the log of 14 all over the log of the log of 2. So let's proceed. We don't stop our answer at this particular point. We're just about to finish. So we shall now have, so we can still simplify this and now say x equals to 1 plus, so the log of 14 can also be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 7 all over the log of 2. So now our x is equals to 1 plus, so let's also split this one the way we split the other one. So we shall have log 2 all over the log of 2. So the multiplication sign shall change to addition, plus the log of 7 all over the log of 2. So once we have our equation there, so we shall now say now our x is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel, so it shall be 1 plus the log of 7 all over the log of 2. So note that when you have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to base b. So once you've noted that, so we shall use this formula here to write down this problem here. Now our x is equals to, so 1 plus 1 we shall have 2 then 2 plus, so here now we shall have the log of 7 to the base of 2. Then now this one now shall be our value for x. So let's now check if indeed it is the true value of x. So this one is what we had. So we had 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x, and our answer was 84. So now from there, now we say now 2 to the power of x, we shall write this value. So now we shall have 2 to the power of 2 plus the log of 7 to base 2 plus again 2 to the power of 2 plus the log of 7 to base 2 plus 2 to the power of the log to the power of 2 plus the log of 7 to base 2 shall give us 84. So we shall now work out the whole of this value. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Like we are working out 2 times 2, which is 4. So here the multiplication sign shall change to addition. So why addition? We know very well that a to the power of m then plus a to the power of n can also be written as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So here now we shall have 2 to the power of 2, that is 4 times. So the 2 and 2 with the log shall cancel, so now we shall have 7, then plus this side also 4 multiplied by 7 plus this side also 4 multiplied by 7 is equals to 84. So now we shall now work out this and now say that 4 times 7 is 28. So now we shall have 28 plus 4 times 7 is 28 plus 4 times 7 is 28 is equals to 54. So 28 plus 28 is 56. 56 plus 28, sorry, not 54 but 84. So 28 plus 28 is 56. 56 plus 28 is 84. So now we shall say that 84 is equals to 84. So means that our answer was correct. So if you really enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And also thanks for watching the entire video. Otherwise, stick to this channel. Let's now meet on our next video. I shall now be bringing you some of this maths problem. So they are easy once you follow the steps that we have followed. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.